Hello everyone. Let's learn the unk and the a digraph sounds. The unk and a digraph sounds, and we're going to find all the things that has the a and the unk sound. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we have two letters, N and a K. N and a K, N and a K together, they are special friends. And they only make one sound, nk, nk. Now, let's find all the things that has the nk sound. And this sound usually come at the end of the word. Let's have a look. Sink, sink. Wink, wink. Pink, pink. Stink, stink. Think, think. Ink, ink. Sank, sank. Bank, bank. Tank, tank. Bunk, bunk. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find many handmade resources created by an earliest teacher, that is me, to support your child's early reading, writing and math skills. These engaging and educational resources are designed to make learning fun and effective. I will leave the link below. I hope you like it. Thank you for your support. Now we have two more letters, letter A and a Y. A and a Y together, they make one sound. They are special friends and they make the A sound. Now let's find all the words that has the A sound. And again, this sound usually come at the end of the word. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Play, play. Spray, spray. Clay, clay. Stay, stay. May, may. Day, days. Bay, bay. Tray, tray. Hay, hay. Say, say. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done.